Searching for a 2006 Holden Commodore. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, an alarm system, a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power windows, a CD stacker, ventilated disc brakes. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.